Okay, so we got our cheese right where we want it. Look at there. Ooh, look at that pool, you guys. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen. You guys, today we have a Taco Tuesday video. You guys, I'm gonna make us some chicken and shrimp tacos. Well, not tacos. We're gonna say nachos, okay? So if you're ready to go to the border, let's get into this video. So first of all, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add us some olive oil. Yeah, and we're gonna add us a little butter, just a little, because we're using rotisserie chicken that's already been did. Yes. So we're gonna lift that up off here for a minute, because we just want to melt that butter and warm this chicken up, okay? So that's all we're gonna do right there. And we're gonna put this chicken right on over in here. Yes, we're gonna put that chicken right on over in there. Now this is chicken breast that has been already cooked from Sam's Club. And yeah, your girl was in the mood for some nachos. Okay, so she cut up the chicken breast and she pulled that white meat off there. Yes, so if you're viewing this video for the first time, thumbs it straight up, subscribe to the channel, and yes, come join your girl. Miss T would love to meet you. So make sure you leave a comment below so I'll know where to go. You guys, we're going to go here and we're going to do these tacos on up. Do you hear me? Okay? So you never know what I'm going to create in this kitchen. Yes. So I'm going to need you guys to go get your snack and come on back and let's get into this video. So we're going to put a warm on there. We have some Taco Bell seasoning, okay, and we have some gourmet nacho cheese sauce. We have some mozzarella cheese as well. And we have some shrimp over here that's been cut up. They are the jumbo size. So yeah, see you in a minute. So our next step is we're going to add us some taco seasoning. We need a little for our shrimp. And we're going to put us a little water in here. Just enough to wet it so. And get it all sauteed up in here. You can go whatever seasoning, pack of taco mix you want. You guys, this is going to be nothing but deliciousness. Uh-oh. I'll put us a little more. That's enough of my shrimp. Get all this white meat seasoned. Oh, you guys, if you could smell that. And no, I did not add the seasoning to the chicken because it was already seasoned. Like I stated, this is rotisserie chicken. The white meat broke down. Yes. So we're going to go on and let that do its thing for a minute. You guys keep an eye on that for me. So we got it right where we want it at. Okay, so that is this. Let's go to the next step. Okay, so we're going to add us a little olive oil in here. A little butter. We're going to get that butter to melt. I know that gets on some people's nerves, but we're going to put these shrimp right on in there. We're going to cook these. And we'll be back. Okay, so we got our shrimp where we need it, because we don't want to overcook it, you guys. No, you don't want to overcook your shrimp. So now we're going to add us a little seasoning. Just a little, because we only got a few shrimp. And we're going to get that seasoning mixed right on up in there. And we're going to put us a little water. Not nothing major. Now, why I do that? Because they're my nachos. You guys. Get that seasoning right on up in there. And we're going to turn this off. And we're going to keep doing this, because the heat is going to get it off there anyway, you guys. Oh, look at there. These are about to be good. Okay. See that thickness that came down in there? We need some of that sauce. Okay, everyone, we are on the next step. We're turning this pot back on, because now we're finna do our cheese. So we got us some nacho cheese sauce. Got us some nacho cheese sauce when we get it out of here. Okay? And we're going to warm this on up. We're going to put us a little milk in here. Just a little. Whoops. Miss T making a mess. But it's good when you make a mess. Our next step is we're going to add us some mozzarella cheese. Get the cheese of your choice. And I think that should be enough right there. What you guys think? I think that should be enough cheese. And we're going to get this in here to melting. Now this is real cooking here. Okay? Oh yeah. You guys, keep an eye on that for me. Okay, so we got our cheese right where we want it. Look at there. Ooh, look at that pour, you guys. Let's go over to the next step. Okay, guys, so we're at our last step. So our next step is we're gonna layer some nachos, just like so. Our next step is we're gonna go and we're gonna add us some chicken. Look at these delicious tacos. Well, I'm sorry, they nachos. My bad. You guys check that out. That ain't nothing but deliciousness.